Welcome. If you've been finding those constant trending lenses notifications on Snapchat a bit overwhelming, don't worry. We've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through how to easily silence those notifications on your phone using the latest updated method. It's quick, simple, and will give you back control over what pops up on your screen. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can customize everything about your apps and notifications. Once you're in settings, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where all the apps installed on your phone live, giving you the option to manage their settings individually. Next, find and tap on Snapchat from the list of apps. This will bring up all the details and customization options specifically for Snapchat, including permissions and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see all the notification preferences for Snapchat, broken down into different categories. The goal is to find the specific notification type that's bothering you the most, the trending lenses alerts. Scroll down until you see notification categories and tap on it. This will show you a detailed list of different notification groups within Snapchat. Look under the Public Content section and find the option labeled Trending Lenses. Once you've found Trending Lenses, tap on it. You'll now see options for how you want to receive notifications from this category. To stop those notifications from making noise, simply select Silent. This means you'll still get the notifications quietly, without any sound or vibration to interrupt you. And that's it. You've successfully silenced Trending Lenses notifications from Snapchat. You can always come back to this setting if you decide you want those alerts back again. By customizing your notifications this way, you keep your phone's alerts relevant and less distracting, making your Snapchat experience way more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused day.